everyone, welcome to CodeHunger, and in this video we will create one more sidebar as task in this project. So if you guys haven't know that how you can create the project or Laravel admin panel, so I already have created this video. I will add those links in the video description, and I have also added the blog for those things. So those are very simple and those things took 2 to 3 minutes. So today what we gonna do, we will add one more tab here as task, and we will create some relation between project and task. Okay, so till the project part I have already done it, so I have already mentioned it here for all those things. Now let's jump to the task part. So this one is, first we will create our model in the task. So this command will create model and migration, both the things. So in the migration we gonna add this code, go to database, migration, task, and just paste the code here. Okay, now the next thing will be PHP and migrate. It will create all those tables which we have created for our task table. Now in project.php we will create relationship with the task, and in task.php we will create relationship with project. In task.php, and we have to add one more thing here as protected guarded. Okay, so now, so first thing, definitely we have to create the CRUD for a task, and then we can establish our relation between project and task, all those things. So to create the CRUD we have to run this command, which will create the CRUD files for us under the filament folder. Okay, so if you open the filament folder, you can see project resource and the task resource. Now we have to go to the task resource. In our form we will use this code. So here what is happening, if you see that we are creating relation here with the project, see, right? Okay, now so when I will show you the UI, you can see that in the task part, in the drop down we have those projects which we already created, and then we have to use the namespace here, like select text input and the text area toggle also fine. And in the tables we will show these things. Just copy it and paste it here. Okay, so in the tables, these are the things which we are going to show in our listing. So here what we are showing: ID, title, project name, is completed or not, and the created part. And definitely here also we have to import the namespaces for text columns. Okay, so this is it. The relation is being created. So now it's time to check it. So right, the task is coming on top. So like if you want to show this task under the project, so you have to add one more code here as group navigation, this one. So what this code will do, that it will move this task under the project management. Okay, right, now it is looking much more beautiful for sure. So let's create one more project here so that we have multiple options in our drop down. So this will like as CodeHunger website, and in description we can write we love CodeHunger. Okay, now let's go to the task, click on new task, and you can see that we have the list of projects here, and I think this is really awesome. I think it's nearly took just 5 minutes or more, or I think less than that. YouTube viewers, title as like engaging content. We can write here engaging content, right? And description that try to focus on SEO keywords, right? And just create it. So if you see, if you go to the task here, you can see that our task is completed. You can mark it completed if you click here, or not completed. So these things all are working, right? So I think now you have the idea that how simple it is to create the relation, because the part when I have created the relation, right, the one to many part, so definitely it is a similar Laravel eloquent way, and then you have to just pass this code in the form to show the relation part with the project, right? So I think now you get that how simple it is and how it is cool. So okay, so I think you guys is now totally understood, and for you guys, let's create one more task and then we will delete all those. So I will create one more task as CodeHunger website, and write here like, thanks for watching. If you really like our video, then please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Wow, perfect. And I am marking as completed, and click here as create and create another. So this will make it blank and you can create a new one here. Let's cancel it. If you click here, it will give you option to delete all those into just single go. So if I click here, delete selected, it will ask you first that whether you want to delete or not. If I click on confirm, it will delete all the tasks. So this is it. I hope you like the video and you see the simplicity of Filament. That's why it is really in demand, right? So if you guys really like the video, just subscribe it, like it, and share with your friends. For till now, bye bye, have a nice day.